In this lesson, we're going to be using our phone to take videos or stills of our dogs. So you want to get the ears kind of lined up, and you want just a profile shot somewhere in there, and we're going to freeze the frames later to get profile and front shots. So that one's okay, but I think we can do better. And sometimes they want to cooperate and sometimes they don't. This one's kind of nice from a front view. Then we did a sit and try to get kind of a top view, something like that. And maybe even try one laying down that we could rotate a little bit like this. So again, I'm just trying from different angles, just trying to get front shots that we can use inside of Blender just for reference. So these are pretty good, but I just use video because sometimes it's a little easier to catch the shot later. So I'm using Premiere to grab the still frames, but we can also go into Blender, and when you open up Blender and click on video editing at the bottom, just start right there, and then from here we can bring in our videos. So just go and find the videos wherever you saved them. You may have to email them to yourself or send them to your computer through like a Bluetooth or something, or just through a cable. But once you've found the videos, just navigate, and it's looking like I can't find my hard drive. So if you're having that issue, you can hit that tiny little triangle there, and that will help you pick if you have like a hard drive that you need to work with, or the different volume. So I have a little scratch drive here, and we'll just navigate to where the videos are saved, and I'll just bring in one of these and just click and drag that down into the timeline. And then from here you can grab this little playhead indicator and just look for a frame that is suitable, or that looks very, from the side, maybe where the ears line up a little bit. So you can just kind of drag until you see what you need there. And if it's too big or too small, you can drag that bottom scrolly knob there, and that will let you see the entire clip. And then once you found the still frame or the clip image that you want to use for your profile, then you can stop the playhead there and then hit F12, or just go up to File, Render, and Render Image. But then you still have to save it. So you'll go to Image and Save As, or Shift Alt S, and that will let you save that file, and you can save it anywhere you'd like, and you can use it as reference later. So that is, and you can go through each clip that you have and do the exact same thing to get all of your reference images. And this is just to help you when we get into sculpting. We'll have reference from different angles from our dogs, and we can make it look like our animals.